In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in GoHighLevel. Tags are simple labels you can attach to contacts so you can segment, organize, and act on groups of people quickly. Think of them as flexible categories you can add or remove at any time to reflect where a lead is in your process or what they're interested in. Start by opening your GoHighLevel subaccount. From the main dashboard, head to the Contacts area. This is where your full contact list lives and where you'll do most of your tagging work. Once you're there, click into the specific contact you want to update. That opens the contact's record, which shows their details, activity, and all the fields you might need. Inside the contact record, locate the tag section. You'll see a small plus icon near it. Click the plus and choose the tag you want to add to this contact from the available options. After you select it, the tag will display right on the record so you can immediately confirm it's attached. If you see a Save button, go ahead and save. Otherwise, GoHighLevel may save this change automatically. You can add more than one tag to the same contact, which is helpful when someone belongs to multiple segments, like a product interest and a lifecycle stage. Keep your tag names consistent and clear so they're easy to scan later. Short, specific labels work best and prevent confusion across your team. If a tag no longer applies, removing it is just as easy. Open the same contact, find the existing tag, and click the small X next to it. This is especially useful when moving leads between stages, like from new lead to qualified, without cluttering their profile with outdated tags. Tags really shine when you use them to filter your list. Go back to your Contacts view and click Advanced Filters. In the Filters panel, search for tags and select it. Then choose the specific tag you want to filter by. Your list will instantly narrow to only the contacts that carry that tag, which makes it quick to build focused call lists, export targeted segments, or launch campaigns that speak directly to a group's needs. That's the entire flow. Open your subaccount, go to Contacts, select a contact, add or remove tags in the tag section, and use advanced filters to pull up the exact audience you need. With a clean tagging system, you'll find leads faster, run smarter campaigns, and keep your pipeline organized without extra work.